Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Juggler with an easy method. We will begin by understanding its core function, automating file management. File Juggler helps you keep your digital life tidy by setting up simple rules. Imagine never having to manually sort your downloads again. This powerful tool can save you hours each week, ensuring your files are always exactly where they need to be, without any manual effort on your part. To create your first rule, open File Juggler and click New Rule. You will then specify a source folder, perhaps your Downloads folder, where File Juggler will watch for new items. After that, set your conditions, for example, if file type is PDF. Lastly, choose an action, such as Move to Document/PDFs. This simple three-step process forms the foundation of all your automated file organization, making it incredibly straightforward to get started. Once comfortable with basic rules, explore advanced customization. You can combine multiple conditions. For instance, if file type is image and file size is greater than 5 megabytes. File Juggler supports over 20 different actions, from renaming files with dates to sending them to cloud storage. You can also schedule rules to run automatically, perhaps every morning at 8 o'clock, ensuring your system remains perfectly organized without constant oversight. For optimal efficiency, always test your new rules with a small batch of files first. This prevents unintended organization issues. Aim to keep each rule simple and focused. Complex rules can sometimes lead to unexpected outcomes. Furthermore, make it a habit to review your rules every few months. Your file management needs evolve, and adjusting your File Juggler setup ensures it remains a powerful, time-saving asset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.